Hey, this is Don at DWM Grows. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in to learn a little more about organic gardening. Let's find out what today's tips are. Hey, welcome back. Sorry for all the still shots, but I didn't want to do too many videos. I got it all filled with stone. Got it all anchored down. Straps, 3-foot rebar down into the ground. Got 5 points where it's anchored. Stone's in, 5 inches of stone. We're going to start putting the greenhouse together in the next couple days. Hey, got a little bit more done today, but it is cold out here, so we didn't get much done. Got the back wall completed, ledger board up, got it squared, and got another panel in, and we are done until the weather gets warmer. Looking pretty good. Got all the rafters up. Hurricane ties in. Still have to put a few more screws in and some braces. Got to finish this back wall, and kind of wanted to show you the inside. It's kind of cool. It's a little bigger than I actually thought. Not bad. I think it'll work. Hey, checking the rafters again. Wanted to show you what the bird's mouth cut does. Here's the back wall, and we're going to go up there and show you the rafter, how it sits on that ledger board. And the cut on the bottom, I had the 2 bird's mouth cuts. This is why. Because right here, my window is sitting a little too high. So I had to cut another notch out to clear the window. Now all the weight's sitting on my front wall, not on my window. And hey, more progress on the greenhouse. Got all the rafters up and all the closure strips for the polycarbonate roof. Got aluminum flashing on a couple windows. And got my back wall done. Got T111 siding up. This wall doesn't get much light. That's why I put a solid wall. Getting ready to put the polycarbonate sheets up as soon as I can find some 2-inch screws. Alright, so the greenhouse is finished. Still have to get the fan in this wall up in the corner. And I still have to get some flashing to put on the roof. But other than that, it is done. Got some shelves built inside. Doors put on. It is a functioning greenhouse. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry it's been a little sloppy, but I'm just a gardener who wanted a greenhouse, and now I've got one. DWM Grows.